Block number 3 of the FatCat Patterns Be Happy block of the month. We're pre-fusing our patches to go on the applique base. Now this one has a lot of petals. And I want this, I'm just going to touch this down in the middle right there because I need the petals to go under it, but I don't want it to move around. So let me just start tucking these in. Happy little sunflowers. I thought sunflowers and bumblebees went together. Did I make too many petals? Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I need to scrunch them more. A little more overlap. Play with them all the way around. Just position them until you're happy. You can feel under the fabric, you can feel where the edge of your other patch is. Alright, and there we go. I think I want them out a little bit further. And I'm happy with that. So I will iron it down. Alright. Now I will peel these off of here and place them on my sheet. I'll go get my bees out of the bee box, where I've stored all my bees, and then I will get this onto the base fabric. I didn't let it cool all the way, so I've got to be a little more careful in peeling that up. I just love how those patches come right up and they're ready to go on your block. Okay, back again. I need a left-facing bee from my bee box and a double-winged bee from my bee box. Let's see how we go here. Put my leaves on first so I know I got my seam allowance covered. And I want to center that. I have my bee down here. And my double bee up here. Check your seam allowance. Always give yourself enough room. I'm happy with that. Go slow, make sure everything sticks down. You don't want to curl any of your edges up. There we go.